Now what we're going to do, we're going to combine Euro and GBP. I call this Supersignal. You could also use US dollar yen inverted, but we use only these two because they are very much together most of the time. It's two big assets that follow each other pretty well. But if you don't know when and where they're going to turn, do the waves, one will be pretty lost in the market. So what you see up here, you see using the GBP US dollar chart. You can use the euro or you can use both. Down here, what we're going to do now, we're going to add both euro, GBP. So same logic as before. What only thing you want to do now, you want to make sure that these two follow each other, going up, this going down, meaning a larger portion of the DXY basket has taken control over the market. Weaker dollar, stronger pound euro. Again, we have a London opening or 1 hour after the opening. We have a daily low. You don't need to keep track of this, of course, but if you have that knowledge, it doesn't hurt. And again, if you trade futures, CFD, options, anything, doesn't matter. This is a data-driven source, your analytical mentor that will tell you what to do, not to do. Let's say you come to a place like this. Let's say the cross was here. And you see that one is going down, one is staying in the middle, and one going up. Don't trade it. Find another market or wait for a better setup. Don't take chances of things that doesn't follow your plan. But in this case, as you see, DXY separate up, these two going down. Cross again, DXY going down, these two going up. Cross again, both going down, this going up. So follow what these two do like this. That's all you can do. Follow a simple system. You want your low to high 50%. Or sorry, low to high 50%. High to low 50%. Take your profits. Repeat, repeat, repeat. Boring as it may be, keep it boring. Your entry exit should be boring. Your results should be fun. That's all you do. Over and over again. You have your expert here telling you what to do. You are now the trader with confidence in what you're doing. And if you get stopped out, well, that will happen. But you have your data saying, okay, I did everything I could. I followed my plan. I followed what the data told me. I know it's working long term. I just keep going. I don't increase risk. I just keep doing the same thing over and over again, because I know my end result will be good. And this is how you can use the Supersignal with euro and pound together against DXY. Thank you.